In this video, I'll show you how to reduce your data usage on Instagram. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing to this channel and giving this video a like so others can find it too. Okay, so first things first, go ahead and open the Instagram account and go to your profile at the bottom right. Once you're here, go ahead and select the three lines that you see at the top and scroll down until you see your app and media. Please keep in mind that Meta is constantly changing where things are, especially under settings and activity. So just make sure you browse through it until you see media quality. This is going to automatically help you reduce your data usage, but remember that it may affect your experience on Instagram. It says here that, for example, photos and videos may take longer to load and to upload. As I told you before, Meta is constantly changing things around, so the easiest way can also be to go to the search bar and simply type media quality. It will automatically show up and you can follow the last steps of the tutorial. That's it. I hope this video helped you.